everyone, this is KG Evelyn Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawin natin to ng reaction video. Ang latest performance ng Horizon kahapon to actually sa The Show, which is naka-yellow sila. I really love the outfit. Sa totoo lang, nakita ko siya kahapon sa mga Twitter, and nag-live ata sila kahapon, tapos parang mention ako sa Twitter na yung ikembot natin to, yung nagkembot-kembot sila doon. Nakita ko yun na may nag-tag sa akin, and nakita ko yung kanilang outfit. Ang gaganda. And if I'm not mistaken, tama ba ako? This is their last performance. Is that right? Ng 16. After how many weeks? 3 weeks ata sila nagpa-perform. Ito yung pinaka-last nila, which is they are wearing yellow. Wow, na-complete nila yung Philippine flag. White, red, blue, and yellow. Ang perfect naman nun. I love the concept. So I won't take any longer. And may kasabay to guys na video. If I'm not, mamaya sabihin ko, basta parang send off ata to na sabi nila kasi sa akin gawin ko din daw ng reaction video. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Kung anong ganap nila dito for today's video sa The Show.
Hey!
Hey!
Why don't you come and join us? Here we go.
Wait lang, ba't parang palagi talagang si Lister ang what do you call this, sleeveless for today's video? Sa totoo lang. And ang naiiba lang dito na what do you call this, na outfit na may shade of brown is si Vinci. And the design of his like polo, if I'm not mistaken, or the top is very Vinci talaga, no? Ang arte-arte. Very Vinci siya.
But it's a night jacket. Pump it up, your energy feel it.
Iba ang aura ni Marcus doon. Iba ang aura ni Marcus doon, dear.
Pump it up, your energy feel it. Play it hard, you feel like 16. Hey!
Ang ganda naman ng facial expression ni Marcos dito.
Hard, you feel like 16.
Ay, hello.
Feel like 16.
Wait lang, i-share ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Si Razor, ang gwapo din, oh. My God, wala talagang tapos sa kanila. Pero wait lang, i-share ko sa inyo kahapon. Doon sa live nila, tinapik ni Marcos si Jerome. Ay, sorry. Kasi yung rock my body, tama ba yung gumagano-gano si Jerome? Tinapik talaga siya ni Marcos. Ang cute-cute talaga nun. Nagpapakilala talaga na ang pinakamakulit talaga sa grupo is si Jerome talaga.
Hang out with me. I'm watching weekend but nothing fun is going on.
Ay, wow! Wow! Grabe. Hindi siya nagpalieg. Hinawakan niya talaga ang kanyang buhok for today's video.
What's going on? Don't pretend, looking for what to eat and drink it all. Stepping on my flip-flop, all in that dick that I get.
Gwapo ni Marcos. Tumas yung kilay niya dun, no? Na nag-slow mo siya.
All in that dick that I get.
Tumaas yung kilay niya, dear.
that dick that I get. 누르고 싶어 이들은 세상 너 좀 누르고 싶어. I'm done thinking about tomorrow. You only live once.
Arte naman ang hagod. Ang arte naman ang
Tomorrow.
hagod.
You only live
Ang arte naman.
thinking about.
Wait. Ang arte ng hagod niya doon. Napansin niyo ba yun?
I'm done thinking about tomorrow. You only live once. Hands in the air, 시끄럽게 오늘을 보내자. When you're running around, 즐거워 되겠다.
Si Winston yung tipong alam mo yung napaka-inosente ng muka. Alam mo yung ang gwapo-gwapo niya. Yung tipong napakabait ng mukha niya, pero alam mo yung papasakitin niya yung ulo mo pag minahal mo siya kasi marami kang karibal. Alam mo yung kahit sasaktan ka niya, mamahalin mo pa din siya. Ganun siya, dear. Ganun siya. Ang gwapo niya, no? I love that. Parang iba ang performance nila for today's video. Parang lahat sila nag-shine.
movie comes right in front of you.
Yes,
Let's party. I'm thinking about tomorrow. You only live once, but your hands in the air. 시끄럽게 오늘을 보내자. Ring ding round and around. Circle and play together. 너도 웃어 조용해. I feel like 16. 나 죽었지 뭐.
Is that Nip Sleep? Ah, yes! Yes! Nip Sleep for today's video! Hoy, hindi siguro, hindi pwede. Nip Sleep si Vinci
I
nakasama
feel like 16. 나 죽었지 뭐 없이. 내리고 싶어. Run away, run away. Go straight. Feel like 16. 정신없이 깊이 가고 싶어.
Si Vinci yung nagpapakita ng skin!
Go straight. Feel like 16.
Oh my God! Oh my God! The design is very Jungkook. Diba? Sa 7. Ganyan na ganyan si Jungkook eh.
정신없이
You're strong! Charot. Already done? Yun na yun, wait lang. There's another one video guys. Diyan lang kayo for today's video because meron pa atang isa yung what do you call this? Horizon MTV The Show Sent Off. So, yeah, panoorin natin to. Wait lang. Diyan lang kayo. Diyan lang pera yan. Isa sila. Ay, tapos na yung video guys. Akala ko kasi magsasalita sila dito. Pasensya na. So yeah, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Horizon. This is KJ Evelyn Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!